Hello guys, so today we're gonna change the number plate unit here. We're gonna change the complete unit, and we're also gonna sandpaper the connections, because usually in this car they go bad, so like the lights doesn't work, so we're gonna change that now. We need to remove these two screws, and they are Torx 20. So the next step is to take a small screwdriver and just press on the side, the plastic, and now it's removed. So this is the old one, and it's broken. As you see, one side the metal is completely corroded away. So we have two metal poles on the inside, or like connections like on the walls here. So we're gonna use some sandpaper to remove the corrosion around them for better connection. So as you see, we have two metal pieces here. We want to push it against one edge and push in the other side. Wait, let me see. Like that. Now it's installed. I'm just gonna put back two screws. As you see, now it's working.